How's it going, everyone? Max here, Wealthier by the day 23. I have a stock market related topic I'm going to cover today. First, I am not an investment professional. This is for entertainment purposes only. And please like, comment, and subscribe. The support has been great lately. The videos seem to be getting some momentum. We'll say it's all relative, right? But things are going good. So the one topic I'm going to cover today is, here, one sec. That's a little bit better. The one topic I'm going to cover today is how you can generate passive income in the stock market on a monthly basis. And there's a number of different ways that you can generate passive income in the stock market on a monthly basis. And I'll get into that. So when it comes to dividend paying stocks, you have quarterly paying stocks, you have monthly paying stocks, you have annual dividend stocks, and you also have biannual dividend stocks. Annual would mean they pay out once a year. Biannual would mean they pay out twice a year, quarterly 4 times a year, and monthly would be every month, so 12 months out of the year. So there's a number of ways that you can string together a monthly income from the stock market. I mean, the first and easiest way is, well, invest in monthly dividend paying companies. There also is an ETF, ticker symbol JEPI. It's a JP Morgan Premium Equity ETF, income ETF, and basically it's an ETF that JP Morgan Chase created. They're like a security division or whatever you want to call it. Probably not the bank itself, but their asset management division. That's what it is. They created this probably because they knew people love monthly dividend income, and they figured, well, let's create an ETF that gives you monthly dividend income. The downside to this ETF is you do have to pay them a pretty, not a huge expense, but you have to pay JP Morgan Chase, their asset management division, to invest in this ETF. Like, it's not free. You have to pay them an expense. So anyways, that's one easy way to do it. But there are monthly dividend paying stocks. There's ticker symbol O, that's Realty Income Corporation. There's ticker symbol APLE, which is Apple Hospitality REIT. There's ticker symbol MAIN, which is Main Street Capital Corporation. Oops, that camera angle, not good. So those are 3 monthly dividend payers. And then there's, of course, quarterly paying dividend companies. And typically a quarterly dividend paying company will pay out. There's the ones that pay out in, I'm trying to think. It's like, I'm always bad at this, January, April, July, and October. And then there's February, May, August, and November. And then there's the most popular one, for whatever reason, is March, June, September, and December. So those are basically the 3 different dividend paying companies you can invest in that are quarterly paying companies. They're either going to pay out in that first one, the second one, or the third one in those intervals. And with those quarterly dividend payers, all you have to do is invest in 3 different dividend stocks, one from each of the categories I just listed, to generate monthly income. So, right, like you could invest in, I believe, JP Morgan Chase is January, April, October. Am I getting that right? July and October. That's one of them. Energy Transfer, for example, is February, May, August, and November. And then 3M, for example, is March, June, September, and December. And also, like ETFs, like ticker symbol VOO, S&P 500 ETF, like those are quarterly paying dividend payers also, which to me is a neat little trick. Is you can get paid monthly dividends by investing in quarterly companies, and one of them can be an ETF that tracks some kind of stock market indice, which is awesome. That's right on. Like, most people are better off investing in broad stock market, you know, index tracking ETFs anyways. So that's even better. But anyways, like you could string together a few. All you would really need is 3 different quarterly dividend paying companies. You just have to pick the ones that pay in the right quarters to get monthly income. It's honestly not that hard. If you check out my Instagram page, which you probably came from the Instagram page, at stock_masters_, you'll see a ton of different posts showing you how to do this. It's really not difficult. It's just literally a matter of having a brokerage account, having money in your brokerage account, and then buying the companies that are going to pay you monthly. So anyways, I won't make this video much longer than it needs to be, but generating monthly dividend income is a really easy way to generate monthly passive income. And obviously, in the beginning, it's not going to be very much because you probably won't have a ton invested. But building a large stream of dividend income, it is a long-term game. Like, it's something that takes many decades to really build up a respectable stream of dividend income, but it's more than possible. And for a lot of people, maybe that's not fast enough. So maybe you invest in some assets that you think have a little better capital appreciation. This doesn't even have to be the stock market. This could be any asset that you think has better capital appreciation. Mind you, that asset should probably be paying you some cash flow, right? That's the point of owning assets, is you're generating cash flow. Even if it's minuscule, you should be generating some cash flow from an asset. But regardless, let's say you're hoping for quicker capital appreciation. So maybe you can use the money you earn in capital gains to buy more dividend stocks. Like, you can always allocate 80% of your capital to assets where you think are going to have a little higher capital appreciation, probably based on some of the risk involved in them. And then you can allocate the remaining 20% to dividend paying stocks, or cash flow, right? Like more cash flow oriented assets. So that's one way of doing it. You don't have to invest 100% of everything into one asset. You can diversify, invest into some things that you think are going to grow a little faster, and then some things you think are better for cash flow. So anyways, that's it. That's how you generate monthly passive income with the stock market. Super simple. So I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Wealthier by the day, day 23. Max signing out.